Gathering reviews from all over the internet, the Camera Lens Coffee Mug by AmZH has proven to be a unique and versatile product that appeals to photographers, coffee enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys novelty items. Designed to resemble a real camera lens, this mug stands out as a conversation starter and a practical everyday tool. With features like stainless steel insulation, 2 lid options, and a lightweight design, it offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. One of the most praised aspects of this mug is its realistic design. Many users have commented on how closely it mimics the appearance of an actual camera lens, making it an excellent gift for photographers or anyone with an appreciation for photography. The attention to detail in its design makes it a standout piece that can easily double as a decorative item on a desk or shelf. Whether used as a coffee mug, pen holder, or even a vase, its versatility adds to its charm. The mug comes with 2 lids, one translucent, fully closed lid that ensures no spills, and another retractable lid for easy sipping without removing the cover. This dual lid feature provides users with options depending on their needs. However, some reviewers noted that these lids cannot be used simultaneously, which limits their practicality for travel. A suggestion from users has been to add threads so both lids could be screwed on together, enhancing convenience during transportation. Another feature that stands out is the included stirring spoon. While it adds to the novelty factor, some users found it unrelated to the camera theme and not particularly functional for sealing the mug. Nonetheless, it serves well as a standard stirring tool for beverages like coffee or cocoa. In terms of performance, the stainless steel interior ensures excellent insulation properties, keeping hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold for extended periods. This makes it ideal for travel or long work sessions where maintaining beverage temperature is essential. The lightweight design further enhances portability, fitting easily into car beverage consoles or bags without adding unnecessary bulk. Durability is another strong point of this product. Many reviewers have highlighted its sturdy construction and ease of cleaning. The combination of food-grade ABS plastic on the exterior and stainless steel on the interior ensures that the mug can withstand regular use without compromising its quality. While the mug excels in many areas, there are some minor drawbacks noted by users. For instance, the inability to use both lids simultaneously can be inconvenient for those who want to enjoy the aesthetic appeal of the lens lid, while also having the practicality of the sipping lid during travel. Additionally, some users found the spoon to be an unnecessary addition that does not align with the camera theme. Overall impressions of this product are overwhelmingly positive. It has been described as fun, unique, and functional by customers who appreciate its clever design and practicality. Whether as a gift or a personal purchase, it offers value through its novelty factor and usability. For photographers or anyone who enjoys creative gadgets, this mug is a worthwhile addition to their collection. If you own this Camera Lens Coffee Mug by AmZH, we encourage you to leave your review in the comments below to help others make informed decisions about this product. Your insights could provide valuable information about how this mug performs in different scenarios, or how you've creatively used it beyond its intended purpose. To support our channel and explore more about this product, check out the link in the description.